Namaste children, how are you all? And welcome to today's maths class. Today we are going to discuss about areas of two more plane figures such as parallelogram and the triangle. So what is a parallelogram? So we have studied in class 6. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and opposite angles are equal in measure, and the diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Now today we are going to discuss about how to find area of a parallelogram. You see here, so we have different parallelograms which are drawn on the graph sheet. You see here the first figure is a parallelogram. Second figure you see one dotted line is drawn from one of the vertex of the parallelogram to its opposite side, and the dotted line is perpendicular and it is known as altitude or height of the parallelogram, and the side of the parallelogram to which the altitude is drawn is called base. What is the base of the parallelogram? The side of the parallelogram to which altitude is drawn is known as base. Now, how do we find its area? You see here, this area, that is the parallelogram, can be converted to in the form of a rectangle. We know the area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Now you see here, this dotted lines represents what? A parallelogram. And so when it is extended to in the other side from other vertex, we will get a rectangle whose breadth of the rectangle is nothing but, here it is the height, and the length of the rectangle is nothing but the base of the parallelogram. Base of the parallelogram. Therefore, the area of the parallelogram is nothing but the area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. But here length is represented with what? Base, and the breadth is represented with what? It is height. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equals to base into height square units. Area of the parallelogram is equals to base into height square units. Now it is area of a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram ABCD. You can give as A, B, C, D. And this dotted line will represent what it is as the height or the perpendicular which is drawn from one of the vertex of the parallelogram to its opposite side. So this perpendicular is known as height or altitude, and this side is known as the base. Base is the side of the parallelogram to which the altitude is drawn. So again from here, if we draw a perpendicular with the dotted lines by extending the side, so we will get what it is 90 degrees, that is you take it as F. Now EFCD is what it is? A rectangle. ABCD is a parallelogram. They are lying in between the same parallel lines and they have the same area. This we can count by using the graph sheet. Now this is what it is, breadth of the rectangle, whereas this is breadth is nothing but what for the parallelogram. Here both opposite sides are equal. It is height for the parallelogram. This is the height for the parallelogram. Now EF, this is AB is the base. EF is what? EF is nothing but the length of the rectangle, which is nothing but the base of the parallelogram. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equals to area of the parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to what it is? Area of the parallelogram is equals to nothing but area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth square units. But here what is the length? As the length as the base of the parallelogram, and the breadth is the height of the parallelogram. Base into height, that is B into H square units. B into H square units, where B stands for base of the parallelogram and H stands for height of the parallelogram. Height of the parallelogram. Now we will discuss an example related to this. So example. Find the area of the following parallelogram. Find the area of the following parallelogram. following parallelogram. Find the area of the following parallelogram. So you are given a parallelogram and its height. So let this is the parallelogram whose base is equals to 7 centimeters and the height it is 5 centimeters. Height is 5 centimeters. Now here base B is equals to what? 7 centimeters and height H is equals to 5 centimeters. Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is equals to what it is? Base into height B into H square units. That is 7 into 5. Base is 7 centimeters. Height is 5 centimeters. 7 into 5 square centimeters. That is 7 5s are 35 square centimeters. So what is the area of the given parallelogram? It is 35 square centimeters. Now what is the area of the parallelogram? It is the product of base and its altitude or the height of the parallelogram is the area to find parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram. Is it clear, children? Now area of a triangle. It is half into base into height square units. That is half into B into H square units. Now what is height? As usual I said the perpendicular drawn from one vertex to its opposite side. This is the vertex of a triangle, one vertex of a triangle. From this vertex a perpendicular is drawn to the opposite side. This perpendicular is known as altitude or the height of the triangle, and the side to which the perpendicular is drawn is known as the base. The side to which the perpendicular is drawn is known as base. That is base into height, half into base into height square units. Half into B into H square units is the area of a triangle, and perimeter of a triangle we have covered in the previous class. That is perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the three sides of the triangle. So now area of a parallelogram is base into height, and area of a triangle is half into base into height. See sir, using this we will solve some of the questions. Now we'll find the sums problems from exercise number 11.2. The first bit. Find the areas of the following parallelograms. So here two parallelograms are given. That is A whose base is 7 centimeters and the perpendicular distance is 4 centimeters. Here this is the base and this is the altitude. 5 centimeters is the base and height is 4.8 centimeters. So here the first bit A, it is base is equals to 7 centimeters and height is equals to 4 centimeters. Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is equals to base into height square units. That is base is equals to 7 centimeters and height is equals to 4 centimeters. 7 into 4 square centimeters, which is equals to 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. 7 4s are 28 centimeter square is the area of the first parallelogram. Next, the second parallelogram here, the D bit, we have base is equals to 5 centimeters and height H is equals to 4.8 centimeters. Now, area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is equals to base into height square units. Base into height square units. That is 5 centimeters into 4.8 centimeters. Now multiply with 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 is the 5 4s are 20 plus 4 it is 24. and keep decimal point after one digit. Therefore, it is 24.0 centimeter into centimeter. It is centimeter square or square centimeters. So 24 square centimeters is the area of parallelogram D. Clear? What is the formula to find area of a parallelogram? It is the product of base and its altitude. Base and its altitude, that is base into height square units. Now we will study for the triangle. Second bit. Find the area of each of the following triangles. Find the area of each of the following triangles. Triangles. Two triangles are given. Here it is. We need to find the areas. So the first picture, here it is. Here the base is equals to what it is? 4 centimeters and the height h is equals to 3 centimeters. Height is 3 centimeters. This is the perpendicular distance. Here we have the sign is a perpendicularity. Now area of triangle is equals to what is the formula? It is half into base into height square units. Half into base into square units. That is half into base is equals to what? 4 centimeters and height is equals to what? 3 centimeters. That is half into 4 into 3 centimeters square or square centimeters. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 into 2, 2 into 3 is 6 centimeters square is the area of the given triangle. How much it is? 6 centimeters square. What is the formula to calculate area of a triangle? It is half into base into height square units. Now the B bit here we have. Here the base is equals to 5 centimeters and height is equals to 3.2 centimeters. Now area of the triangle is equals to half into base into height square units. That is equals to half into base is equals to 5 centimeters and height is equals to 3.2 centimeters. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 it is 1. Point is there, key point and bring to 12, 2 6 are 12. Now what we got it is 1 into 5 is 5 into 1.6 centimeter square. Multiply, ignore the decimal point, multiply 5 and 16. 16 5s are 80 and keep the decimal point after one digit. Therefore it is 8.0 centimeter square. 8.0 centimeter square, that is 8 centimeter square is the area of the second triangle. So direct questions, when the base and altitudes are given, how to find area of a triangle and how to find area of a parallelogram we have discussed. Now its applications we will discuss. Now the third bit, find the missing values. So here base, height and the area of the parallelogram. So this question is related to the area of a parallelogram. See the first bit A. Base is given 20 centimeters and area is given 246 centimeter square. What we have to find here, what is missed here it is, this is height is missed. Which is missed here it is height. So we have to find height of the parallelogram in bit A, and in bit B what we have to find? Find the base. Base is not given and its height is given 15 centimeters. Area is given 154.5 centimeter square. So how do we find? Using the formula of area of a parallelogram. So here first bit. So A, that is base, is equals to 20 centimeters and area is equals to what it is? 246 centimeter square. Now area of parallelogram is equals to area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is equals to, what is the formula? It is base into height square units is equals to what? 246 centimeter square it is given in the question. Now base is given 20 centimeters. B into H means it is base into height. So write it is 20 centimeters as the base into height which we need to find. That is H is equals to 246 centimeter square. Now H is equals to what? So transpose 20 centimeters which is multiplying to the RHS, then it divides. That is 246 centimeter square divided by 20 centimeters. 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter will be cancelled. That is centimeter square means centimeter into centimeter. Now you divide with what? 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 123 divided by 10. When we divide with 10, the decimal point will move one digit from right side to left side. Therefore, H is equals to what? 12.3 centimeters. 12.3 centimeters. So height of this parallelogram is equals to how much? 12.3 centimeters. Now we will discuss the B bit. So in the B bit, what is given? Height is given. H is equals to 15 centimeters, and area is given. Area is equals to how much? 154.5 centimeter square. So what is missing here? It is the base. So base we have to find. So how do we find its base? By using the formula area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is equals to what it is? Base into height square units. That is equals to how much it is given? 154.5 centimeter square. Now substitute here. Base is not given. We need to find base. Take base as B, and height is given. It is 15 centimeters. That is equals to 154.5 centimeter square. Now base is equals to 154.5 centimeters divided by 15 centimeters. As 15 centimeters, it is multiplying on the left hand side. When we transpose to the RHS, it divides. Now we divide that. So how do we divide this? So first we have to remove the decimal point. So to remove this decimal point, one digit is there after decimal point. So multiply both numerator and denominator with what? 10. So when we multiply with 10, what we get? 1545. So here 1 centimeter will be cancelled. 1545 centimeters divided by 150. 15 is multiplied by 10, we'll get 150. 154.5 is multiplied by 10. The decimal point will move from left to right one digit. Therefore, we get 1545. Now, you divide with what it is 5 table. 5 threes are 50. 5 zeros are 0. 5 threes are 15. 15 minus 15 0. Then bring 4. 5 ones are 5. Sorry, 4 will not be divisible. So we need to bring one more digit, that is 5. So keep 0 in the decimal point. Then 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. Again with the 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. So what we got it is 103 by 10. 103 by 10. So when we divide with the 10, what we get the point? That is 10.3 centimeters. Now base is equals to how much? 10.3 centimeters. So when we divide 103 with the 10, the decimal point will move one digit from right to left. Therefore it is 10.3 centimeters is the base of the given parallelogram. It means what here? Area is given and any one of these, that is either base or altitude is given, and they will ask you to find the other unknown thing. When the base is given, we can find its height by dividing what? The area of the base. When height is given, we can find its base by dividing area with the height. Clear? Now, we will discuss question number 4 from exercise number 11.2. Find the missing values, base, height and area of a triangle. So, in the first question, base of the triangle is 15 centimeters and its area is 87 centimeters square. So, what is missed here? It is height. So, what we need to find? Height of the triangle. In the B bit, base is missing and height is given as 31.4 millimeters. 31.4 millimeters and its area is given 1256 millimeters square. So what we have to find in the B bit? It is base we have to find. Again by using the formula of area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. So A bit, it is given, base is given, how much it is? 15 centimeters and area is given. Area is equals to 87 centimeters square. So what we have to find? Height we have to find. So what is the formula to find area of a triangle? Yes, it is half into base into height square units. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equals to what? Half into base into height square units. That is, how much is given area? It is right, 87 centimeter square. 87 centimeter square. Now substitute the values. Half into base is equal to how much? 15 centimeters into height we need to find. That is 87 centimeter square. Now what to do? We have to simplify. 1 into 15 is 15. 15 by 2 centimeters. 15 by 2 centimeters. 15 by 2 centimeters into height h is equals to 87 centimeters square. Now height h is equals to, we need to transpose 15 by 2 to the RHS. As it is multiplying, when we transpose to the other side it divides. Therefore 87 centimeters square divided by 15 by 2. So how do we divide with 15 by 2? It is nothing but by multiplying with the reciprocal of 15 by 2, that is 2 by 15 centimeters. 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter gets cancelled. Now 3 5s are 15, then 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6, 2 with 7, 27, 3 9s are 27, with 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 29 minus 25, 4, keep point and bring 0, 40, 5 8s are 40. Now what we get is height h is equals to 5.8 into 2 centimeters, that is h is equals to 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, it is 11. 11.6 centimeters is the height of the first triangle. So here calculation part, be careful with the calculations. So here half into base into height square units is equals to 87 centimeters square, that is area is given. Substitute base is given as 15 centimeters. In the place of B, write 15 centimeters. Multiply 1 into 15, it is 15 by 2. 15 by 2 centimeters into height h is equals to 87 centimeter square. Now h is equals to transpose 15 by 2 RHS. It is multiplied with this reciprocal, that is 2 by 15, and on simplification we will get 11.6 centimeters. 11.6 centimeters. Now the B bit. So in the B bit, base is not given, we have to find the base. What is given? Height is given, that is h is equals to 31.4 centimeters, and area is given, A is equals to 1256 millimeters square. So height it is how much? 31.4 millimeters. 31.4 millimeters. Now base is equals to, we have to find. So again, area of triangle is equals to area of the triangle is equals to, what is the formula? It is half into base into height square units, that is equals to how much it is? 1256 millimeter square. Now substitute those values in that formula. We will get it as much. When we substitute this, half into base we don't know into height is equals to 31.4 millimeters is equals to 1256 millimeter square. Now multiply what it is. 1 into 31.4, it is 31.4 divided by 2 into b. That is equals to 31.4 by 2 into b millimeters. That is equals to, what is the area? It is 1256 millimeter square. Now we have to divide with 31.4 by 2. When we transpose to the other side, it is multiplied with the reciprocal of 31.4. Therefore, b is equals to 1256 millimeter square into 2 divided by 31.4 millimeters. 1 millimeter and 1 millimeter will be cancelled. Now, what it is? Multiply with the 2. Then what we get is 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2. 2512 millimeters divided by 31.4. Now how do we divide this? So we have to remove the decimal point in the denominator. So after decimal point we have one digit is there. So multiply both numerator and denominator with what? 10. So when you multiply this 2512 into 10, 25,120 divided by 314 millimeters. 314 millimeters. Now that you have to simplify. So here you see how it will go with the 2 table. It is 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 it is 1 with 1 11, 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. 2 ones are 2, then 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 it is 1, bring 1 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 and 2 zeros are 0. Next what? It is 157. So with what number it will go? 157. So I think it will go with 8 times 157 when we divide with what it is 12,560. When we divide with 157, 8 times 8 7s are 56, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 5 45. 8 ones are 8 plus 4 it is 12. So 0 then bring 0. 157 zeros are 0. So what is the quotient which will get? 80 millimeters. Therefore base is equals to what? 80 millimeters. So like this we can find its simplifications. So write the formula of area of triangle and substitute the given values, and on transposing we will find the unknown value. Clear how to find? Yes. I hope you understand today what we discussed about the area of parallelogram, that is base into height, square units, and area of triangle, that is half into base into height, square units, and their applications we studied. I hope you understand today's class, and your homework is exercise number 11.2. First question B, C and E. Question number 2 C and D. Question number 3 C and D. Question number 4 C. This is your homework. Complete the given homework in the notebook. Thank you very much.